Hello everyone. I want to present point 2 and 3 is activity. Identification. First, the diamond supermarket. Student name, current and present is, date, 10th of March. Are characters of the case. Joaquín Pérez Rodríguez, the entrepreneur. Eliezer Pérez and his mother, Carolina Rodríguez, parents. María Duque, wife. Pedro and Sofía, children. Ophelia and Jasmine are in the shade of the clinics and security of the facilities. Osvaldo, Felipe, Rodriguez, and Juan Sebastian stock the shelf and deliver the food from the warehouse. Main problem of the case. Problem that the supermarket management fails to warrant success in the management and the market. Problem 1. The expense in life leads to a cash deficit they obtain long years able and the additional money at spend could invest in the products in the company. Problem 2. Operation in benefits overlap in your facilities, in your stores, warehouse, giving what to lose of the perishable products to the heavy good logistics. Problem 3. Within the company there are no function manuals, guidance and or policies, no training, no formal contracts, and no social security payment for the employee, which can generate future legal problems. Okay? This is material strategic management. Goodbye.